Hey everyone, welcome back to English in 5 Minutes. I'm Max.
And I'm Mia. Today, we've got something delicious for you.
Oh yes, we're talking about food, and not just what we like, but also how often we eat it.
Exactly. But instead of us chatting about it, we've got a fun conversation between two friends.
So grab a snack, because here's today's conversation.
Hey, Liam. Long time no see.
Hey, Sophie. Yeah, it's been ages. How are you doing?
I'm great, thanks. How about you?
Pretty good. Just finished lunch, actually.
Oh, nice. What did you have?
I had sushi. I think sushi is one of my absolute favorite foods.
Really? I love sushi too, but I don't eat it very often.
Same here. I wish I could have it every day, but I usually eat it maybe once a month.
Once a month? That's still more than me. I probably have sushi only a few times a year.
So, what's your favorite food?
That's a hard question. I'd say pasta.
Ah, classic.
Yeah, I just never get tired of it. I can make so many different kinds. Spaghetti, lasagna, pasta salad, endless options.
True. And how often do you eat pasta?
At least twice a week, sometimes even more. It's quick, cheap, and tasty.
Makes sense. For me, pasta is more of a sometimes food. Maybe once every couple of weeks.
So if sushi is your favorite, what's your least favorite food?
That's easy. Brussels sprouts.
Oh no, I love Brussels sprouts.
You do?
Yes, roasted with olive oil, garlic, and a bit of salt. Delicious.
I don't know. The smell just puts me off.
Fair enough. We all have our food enemies.
What's yours?
Honestly, pickles. I can't stand them.
Wow, that's surprising. Pickles are amazing.
So, how often do you cook at home versus eating out?
I usually cook at home during the week, maybe 4 or 5 nights. I only eat out once or twice a week.
Same here. I generally cook Monday to Friday, and then on weekends I like to go to restaurants.
That's a good balance.
Yeah, I think so.
What's something you never eat?
Never? I never eat liver.
Oh, I'm with you there.
I tried it once, and that was enough for me.
Same. I think never is the strongest word when we talk about food habits. Like if I say I never eat liver, it means 0 times, no exceptions.
Exactly.
And how often is for asking about the frequency of something. Like, how often do you eat pasta?
Right. And then we have words like usually, generally, or normally to talk about things we do a lot.
For example, I usually have coffee every morning.
And I generally go to the supermarket twice a week.
Then we have sometimes for things we do, but not very often.
Like, I sometimes bake cookies, maybe once every 2 months.
And I sometimes order pizza. Not every week, but maybe twice a month.
And, of course, never means not at all.
So to sum up, my favorites are sushi and pizza, but I usually eat pasta at home and I never eat Brussels sprouts.
And I love pasta and Brussels sprouts, sometimes have sushi, and never touch pickles.
I guess we'd be good dinner companions. We wouldn't steal each other's food.
True. You can have my pickles, and I'll take your Brussels sprouts.
Deal.
Now, let's go over the words we used today really quickly. Words like how often is for asking about the frequency of something, basically the number of times it happens.
Words like usually, generally, or normally are for habits you do most of the time.
Sometimes is for things that happen now and then, but not regularly.
And never means it doesn't happen at all, not even once.
Exactly.
Like me and Brussels sprouts, that's a never.
And that's it for today's English in 5 minutes.
We hope you enjoyed that tasty conversation.
Remember, try using today's vocabulary when you talk about your own food habits.
And maybe think about your never foods. Just don't judge Mia for her pickles thing.
Hey, pickles are not for everyone. Anyway, thanks for listening.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.